Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a different kind of vlog. It's a Christmas related vlog. It's not Disney related, but after school, once I pick Ollie up from school, we're off to the Severn Valley Railway. We're going to see Santa on the train. So very excited about this. We're going with my sisters, Carly and Mez, and my niece Poppy. So like I said, I've never done this before, so we're really excited. Originally we were supposed to be going in November, at the end of November, but it got cancelled obviously, or postponed should I say, due to COVID. Originally I thought it was going to just get cancelled altogether because I said we can move it to another date, but when we looked at all the other dates they were all fully booked, so they've offered us a day in the week, or evening shall I say, and that's obviously what we've picked. So it's Tuesday the 8th of December. Yeah, can't wait for this. So I didn't expect to do anything Christmassy this year, so it's an absolute added bonus that we are getting to go. So once I've picked Ollie up from school we'll get going, and obviously we'll see you when we get there, so we'll catch you later. Hey everyone, so we've, oh hello all, sorry, just got to the train station, so just about to go and find my sisters and our niece. So I haven't got a clue where we're going, so hopefully we'll find them without too much bother. You alright, oh, you excited for this?
Yeah, I am.
Really? We're excited to see Santa.
Yeah, I just said that.
Oh cool, sorry, that's me told. Okay, here we go, sign for the station, this way.
It says, wait, why does it have snowman?
Because it's Christmas. Well then why'd you ask the question?
You know it's Christmas.
Well then that's got snowman and Christmassy. Oh, excuse me. That's a funky little walk you got going on there. Feels weird being back outdoors with a camera again. It's been a while since we've done this, isn't it? Outdoors, vlogging outside, living life. I forgot what that's like to live life.
Mom.
This ain't gonna be a vlog of you just doing weird walks, is it? Just, just don't go flying. Oh, the tree's all pretty colour. Yeah. Why did we pick the car park with the big hill?
Really? Wait, are you actually vlogging?
Yeah.
I didn't know. Hello,
Electrics.
Wait, are they actually electrics?
Well, they're Christmas lights, aren't they?
Yeah, at the same time as electrics. Wait,
Well, yeah, they're plugged in. I wouldn't touch them if I was you.
why?
Just wouldn't. Why would you want to do that? Electrocate, yeah, that'll electrocate you.
Yeah, didn't know. For us, there is a lot of lights. Yeah, Christmas tree.
It's a lot of light.
There's a beautiful Christmas tree right
Yeah.
there, which you didn't notice. And
Surrounded by lovely fencing.
surrounded by lovely lights.
Lights surrounded by lights.
What? Lights
Right.
surrounded by lights. Don't even make stupid sense. What?
I don't understand some of the things you say sometimes.
Sometimes even you are.
We're on the platform.
Why did you not need to do this? I'm just kidding.
Hello. You alright? Hiya, Poppy. Oh wow.
Look, here comes the steaming lunch train.
Shall we go in this one?
Yeah, that's fine. It is very Harry Potter-esque, isn't it?
You're right, Paul. We're definitely in this one.
It is like how
You can pick.
Let's go find one. Fair enough.
It's like being on the Hogwarts Express at Universal.
Look at this.
Oh my god, they're squishy chairs.
yeah, it's definitely like the Hogwarts is ready.
Take these off now.
Hands over.
Oh!
Look it.
Poppy's keeping her hands germ-free, good gal.
Yeah, I'd say that.
Oh, let's take yours.
For the Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, is it Minnie or Mickey?
Oh.
Minnie.
She's looking a bit stunned.
Oh,
She's like, oh, I recognise what your mask's on.
oh.
Put a little bit on your hands then, I've got a spin my bag as well if you need any.
Anyone else?
Well, in the sure something.
Do that. Oh.
Like brushes, wax on, wax off.
I think we have to do this a few times, I think.
It's like wax on, wax off.
Oh, Ollie's son doing a bit of karate.
It's our pet, obviously.
Me either.
We're moving.
Choo choo, choo choo.
Before we move again.
Hold on, check the label.
Yeah, I was gonna-
The label's still back to front. Oh dear Lord.
Like that. Oh,
Choo choo.
I'll do it.
Oh. I keep thinking of the Hogwarts Express now.
Take it down.
Where are you going? I love Ron Weasley doing the spell.
Wow.
Daisy sunshine with buttermelon.
They could do it
To
turning
this
the lights
stupid
on here.
fat right yellow. I keep on getting it wrong. Daisy sunshine.
Okay, I can't see anything now.
To this stupid fat. Oh, come on.
Miners worked underground, searching for black gold. Those who worked underground longed for more time in the open. In the winter, summer,
That sounds very good actually.
Get expensive presents and buy you a box of Kleenex for Christmas.
Yeah.
Should get you the luxury ones then?
play in the stars.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they're barn ones. I won't get you. I'll get you Kleenex, not Tesco's own.
As cacklers.
What?
Last year, like anything afoot,
Look at that.
Oh!
It's okay.
long pointy hats.
Yay!
Real.
Pretty lights.
So tonight, we're on the
We have
lookout.
no seatbelt anyway.
We know they like to be in the
Oh, you rebel.
Now, let's find those Christmas cacklers.
Christmas cacklers.
Wait, that sounds like Frozen 2.
I was just going to say it's Frozen.
That's what I was showing you.
I love this film.
I know.
It's just ridiculous.
I know. It's brilliant.
Wait, remember when Olaf goes like it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Remember when Olaf goes
I better not keep it on too long. Copyright.
I love when Olaf
You have to
goes
think about these things.
I love when Olaf
Yeah, I hate it.
You trying to take a selfie? Oh, let's have a
Oh,
look.
I'm very bad.
Go on, let's have a go.
I need a bit of a license.
Need a license to take a selfie? Some people do.
Ooh, we're under the tunnel.
Let's have a look how this one's come out.
Not bad.
Oh, hold on, that was a bit bright.
Bit bright.
Better than your last one, oh.
Yeah, definitely. Very blurry.
It's
Delete photo.
it's a work in progress. God, this condensation it's just constant, isn't it? Wow, is that pretty, Poppet?
Something like that.
Ooh.
Bad.
Everyone, quick!
Oh,
Turn your torches on.
quick!
I think there's something coming out in the trees. This might be the first time you've ever seen a
I
cackle.
can't see it all.
All I'm going to see is our actual
Reflect our phones.
There's one for one.
If someone peers at the window and
I
I
can see
screams,
is
I'm,
me.
I'm gonna literally pack
All
my
I can
pants.
see is me in the all I can see is me in the reflection. Mom, all I can see is me in the reflection.
I know, it's terrifying, isn't it?
What? Hey, I am not terrifying.
You are when you're hungry.
Hey,
Aren't we all?
Yeah.
I'll take a bit of pizza, thanks.
And you got pizza in my bag.
Really?
You got a ham sandwich. Woo!
Yeah. What?
All I can see is condensation in the light from Rachel's phone.
Yeah.
Literally it.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off because it's wasting my battery. Oh, what the hell have I done here?
So I'll just I write my name.
Ollie was here.
See them?
The reindeers look?
That's what I tried to tell you.
Little dots.
That's what I tried to tell you.
Reindeers look?
They lit up.
They literally look like dots on. They look like dots on the camera.
Amazing.
You see them?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, wow. We're outside. See if I can see.
What's that see?
Wow. See them? Wow. Reindeers, look at the babies. Oh, some baby reindeers.
They just literally look like dots.
Yeah.
And you can't see it on the picture.
No, maybe it looked better when I
Wait, is this Harry Potter
Look
now?
at the baby one.
don't think so.
Baby reindeer.
Look.
Hold on.
Yeah, I can see stuff.
What do you want to say, Al?
Look, there's little Santa.
Hey,
Is it
now
Santa
we're just on the
Elves?
train and we're looking at some beautiful lights, aren't they?
Fairies. Look, fairy on the tree.
Oh. Oh, look at there's more stuff here.
Wait, there are.
Look.
Fairies.
It's a bit like, it's definitely not like Jesus Christ.
We're never going to see him
That's
popping out of the tree.
That's one thing. Yeah. Jesus.
Yeah. Did we get off first? Oh wow, look at these lights.
Wow, look at those.
Oh, wow. Damn condensation. Oh, sorry, Al. He took his face off. Just did elbowed him.
Beautiful, isn't it?
It is. Oh, Hampton Load we're at.
I don't get that at all, do I?
She's just said random stuff.
I do not.
Oh wow, look at this. Little Santa up.
Oh, he looks a bit drunk, doesn't he? That Santa.
Deflated.
Looks like he's in better days.
Yeah, did you see that tiny mini Santa?
Yeah, Santa.
Santa?
Oh, Santa.
Santa?
I know. You have a good old chomp there, Poppy.
Also a bit of profit in your mouth.
Wait, she was actually,
Yum, 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 yum.
she was just in the box, wasn't she?
It's not live. Say cheese. Oh, wait, don't. Cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese.
Please!
Cheese. Oh, good God, that's
What the hell? That was worth it! That was
Scared the
worth it, wasn't it?
Is that fun?
Oh,
Oh, we're going backwards.
oh crap! That is
It's only making you laugh.
Come on, Poppy, drop a beat.
You didn't to be as much.
Party carriage. Woo!
Why are we going backwards?
It's all good content.
There's no cameras in it.
Oh, but there is. You have to wait to see until Friday.
I'm going to watch that one.
Right next here.
Look at the snow.
My bad.
It's snowing, yeah.
Sorry.
Careful. Al.
Smooch them.
Poppy.
Sit by Ollie.
I knew that was coming.
Wink for the camera and everything. Guys got the old Buble hits out on today, ain't they? Come on, Pop, have a bop.
You're born with granite.
Walking in a winter wonderland. Oh no, darling, it's a bit too much.
Oh, it's called Winter Wonderland, isn't it?
Walking in a winter wonderland.
Nearly back at Bridgenall, so make sure you have
Bit
all
done,
the
eh?
belongings and take your everlasting
Bit
memories
get off
home
time.
with you. From
Whoa,
all of the
why is
pepper
it so
catchers at the
steady?
Severn Valley Railway, thank you for coming with us on this magical journey. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Ooh. Thank you. Yeah. Just stand out the way. Oh, let's stand over and wait for Auntie Carly and Auntie Mez. Did you enjoy that train journey? Yeah. I thought it was a Santa one, but obviously I got it mixed up, didn't I? Never mind.
I was just expecting.
Don't worry.
Don't matter.
It's nice to get on a train, isn't it? And get out.
Yeah. Was beautiful.
Look at all the pretty lights. Passengers off the 4:30 station line. Do you enjoy that, Poppy? Very enjoyable. Yeah.
amazing.
Do you enjoy that? I'm not even, do you enjoy that, you two?
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
Do you know?
Nice little Christmas outing.
Oh no, just nice to get out of the house and do something a little bit festive.
Yeah, I think it's been so nice having like a little bit of Christmassy stuff out now.
I know. Honestly, when I thought this was going to be cancelled, I was absolutely gutted.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
So just got off the train. I thought it was the Santa train we were on. It was the light one, which was really, oh god, you can't see me, I've gone all dark now. It was really nice. Ollie, wait one sec. Oh, Ollie, wait for me because we're about to crossing. Do you enjoy that, Oh?
Yeah, it was alright.
It was alright?
Yeah.
Nice to go out though, wasn't it? Oh. Okay, Ollie. Right, we've got to walk back up this hill now, so God help us. Hi everyone, I realised this morning I forgot to end the vlog properly last night. So Severn Valley was really good. It was the light special we went to see. I thought he was going to see Santa, so I think Ollie was a bit disappointed we didn't get to see Santa, so sorry Ol, he's just right in front of me. Sorry Ol. But it was still really good, wasn't it Ol?
Yeah.
It was still really good, and it was just nice to be out with my sisters, to be fair, and Poppy. Just really miss going out with them. Now Ollie's got a Maltese in his mouth and he's shaking his head. This can only end badly, so stop it please.
Okay.
Don't want him choking in front with the Maltese in front of me. Yeah, really good, really enjoyed it. Socially distancing was okay. It was a bit difficult on the platform, but other than that, really enjoyed it. Obviously it was all done safely, apart from being on the platform, other than that was fine, really well managed. Definitely do it again next year. Maybe try and do the Santa one next time. But really enjoyed it. Like I said, again, I know I've said really enjoyed it quite a few times, but I did. Didn't we all? Oh, here we go.
Hey.
Getting in on the act.
Hi.
Yeah, anyway. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I don't expect different to what we normally do. I'm not obviously used to going out and about again with the camera, so it just did feel a bit strange, which is why I clearly forgot to finish it. So, as normal, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to see future stuff, and also press the notification bell to find out what else we've got coming up in the near future. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next week for some more. Take care, bye.
Bye.
See ya. Sorry, I know I said bye, I just forgot to say one thing. Thank you to my sisters for happily being on the vlog. I do appreciate it, having my camera in their face. So and my sister didn't give birth on the train, which is always a good thing. So, but I did have the camera ready just in case. Would have made excellent vlog footage. It's only been a different kind of vlog. Anyway, I'll leave it there. I promise won't be coming back. So, well, not right now anyway. So I'll see you next week. Bye.